الخلاء يومئذ بعضهم لبعض عدو إلا المتقين. You know your best friend who got your back. Bro, I'm there for you. On that day, he'll want your back. Blood in, blood out. He's gonna suck your blood on that day. إلا المتقين. Besides those who are pious. Hasan Basri rahmatullah alayhi says that there will be a person in Jannah, and he will remember his friend, and he will say, where's my friend? He will ask the angels, and the angel will say, your friend is in Jahannam, he went the other way. And he will go to Allah and he will say, oh Allah, Jannah has no real pleasure for me until my friend is brought out of Jahannam. I can't really enjoy Jannah. I need my friend out of Jahannam. So because this person will intercede, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will accept his intercession, and this person will go into Jahannam to find his friend, and he will take his friend out. So the other residents of Jahannam will say, who's that person? Who interceded? Was it his father? Was it his mother? Who was that person? Was it Nabi? They said, no, this was his friend. His friend. And then the people of Jahannam, Allah recalls it, they will say, مَا لَنَا مِن شَافِعِينَ وَلَا صَدِيقٍ حَمِيمٍ. He said, we don't have anybody to intercede for us. Oh, وَصَدِيقٍ حَمِيمٍ. Sadiqin Hamim means your friend. Hamim means the one that when something goes wrong regarding you, Hamim, he gets hot under the collar. He gets upset. This person will intercede. He will look for his friend to find him. He will look for him. And then there will be another group of people. People will go into Jannah. And they will say, where's so-and-so? We should chill out and ask them together. Where's so-and-so? They will say, he's not here. So they will say, oh, he's here, he's here, he's here. But so-and-so's not here. So they will ask. And Allah recalled, هَلْ أَنْتُمْ مُطَّلِعُونَ. Do you really want to see where he is? Do you really want to see where he is? And the window will open from Jannah into Jahannam. فَطَّلَعَ. And then he will look, فَرَعَوْ فِي سَوَاءِ الْجَحِيمِ. And when he will see him right in the middle of Jahannam. فِي سَوَاءِ, in the depths of Jahannam. And then they will start talking. And the one in Jannah will turn around to the one in Jahannam, and he will say, it was close if it was for not the name of Allah that you dragged me with you into Jahannam. You nearly dragged me to Jahannam. So you know all your boys here, all your friends, you think, well, bro, you got my back. I'm there for you, don't worry. It's blood in, blood out. You don't have to care. I'll be there 24/7. Not 24/7. Wallahi, if you did not have a pious relationship, if you did not call towards each other, then Allah says on that day you will be enemies of each other. Besides one group of people, and then they were the muttaqeen.